Hello darlings, my name's Nikima and we are Spainhomes. I am in Castalla, a beautiful, lovely and very Spanish town located in the province of Alicante in a mountainous region just 40 kilometres away from the shorelines of Alicante's beaches. I'm going to be showing you a hot promotional offer that I've just found for you today. It comprises of a developmental project where they are restoring and reforming brand new apartments and villas. Now, the apartments start at €99,000 and the villas start at €199,000. Quite impressive, isn't it, in terms of a price point, which is why I wanted to show it to you today. Now, the villas are going to be actually finishing the show home shortly, so do stay tuned for that. But today we're going to show you one of the completed apartments, so you get to look. It is on very simple terms in terms of minimal fuss, a great holiday home. The apartments are 50 square meters, offer 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, and are distributed on 2 floors with a solarium. So let's start the tour. So this is a street that you will find yourself on as you enter the urbanisation, and it is already quite a well-established community. This would be your entrance, and here you would have a paved entry area here that would work perfectly as the parking space for each apartment. You also have this view as well going to the rear of the property as well, and then there is a stairwell that enables you to get up to the first floor apartment, which is what is currently for sale. Coming up the stairs and into the property, you are met with this really beautiful and cute little terrace porch which forms part of your entry. As you can see, the architectural design on the outside of the building is still classic Mediterranean, but on the inside it is modern. So as we come through the front door, we are immediately entering the open living and dining area. This space is light and bright, much like the aesthetic of the home, and bounces the light beautifully around the living space. Right here, this area is 2.6 metres for the ceiling height, and the room itself is 17 square meters. It does have a really nice way of leading also just quite seamlessly across through the lounge and into what would be your open gallery kitchen. So with the kitchen, you have again a very simple design. However, you do have all of your appliances included, which comprise of your dishwasher, your cooker, your hob, extractor, and the refrigerator. The washing machine is not included. For comfort, to the left, you also have an additional space that is the first bedroom. This bedroom is 10 square meters. On one side, you have a large window, and on the other, you also have wardrobes. This would be a great space if you're wanting to use it as an office. Coming out of that room, back through the lounge, I'm now taking you to the hallway where you will find the main bathroom. This bathroom is fully equipped and also has a bath. Overlooking the main bathroom, it leads to the primary suite. With the primary, you have the main area of the bedroom space where you have your bed and your large window, and this space is 13 square meters. But then you also have, as part of your bedroom, the additional fitted wardrobes and the ensuite bathroom that is fully equipped. in just 15 minutes it takes us in the car to get to the centre of Alicante city. Here you can get absolutely everything that you could possibly want that keeps you happy and healthy throughout the entire year. What's lovely about Castalla as well, surrounding it I found especially, was the natural landscapes, the groves and groves as far as the eye can see, and how green and dense the pine forests and vegetation are in that particular area. But as you can see, it's really easy to get to the coast at the same time. And so the nitty-gritty, the property tax or EB is €300 per year, the community fee is approximately €20 per month, and the refuse is €150 per year. These are simple, minimal and very comfortable apartments that offer various specifications included, such as hot and cold air conditioning, electric appliances, parking and also more. So if you like the listing and you'd like to find out more, then do go to our website, which is Spainhomes.estate. My name's Nikima, it was lovely to see you again, and from Alicante I'll be saying hasta pronto!